ServiceFlow AI Marketing Recipes. Episode 9. ServiceFlow AI Marketing Agency Module. Scene 1. Welcome to Series 2, Session 9. ServiceFlow AI Marketing Agency. The first 8 sessions explain the modern AI marketing playbook: strategy, content, ads, landing pages, email, SMS, sales conversion, and measurement. This session shows how those ideas become a working agentic system inside ServiceFlow.ai. The goal is simple: move from marketing theory to execution that creates measurable revenue. Scene 2. The first 8 sessions were not separate topics. Together, they form one operating loop. The AI growth engine starts by understanding the business. Then it turns expertise into content, runs campaigns, captures demand, converts leads, measures revenue, and improves the next campaign. ServiceFlow AI Marketing Agency becomes the execution layer for that entire loop. Scene 3. The marketing agency capability begins with exploration. Instead of asking a business owner to build a full strategy from scratch, ServiceFlow scans the website, reads the business profile, understands offers and audiences, and identifies missing conversion paths. The output is not just a summary. It becomes a structured growth model that every campaign and agent can use. Scene 4. Once the business is understood, ServiceFlow turns exploration into strategy. The owner selects a goal such as more bookings, more consultations, more event leads, or more repeat customers. The strategy agent then recommends the audience, the offer, the channels, the budget, the landing page, the follow-up recipe, and the success metric. Scene 5. Planning becomes execution through marketing recipes. A recipe is a reusable workflow with triggers, conditions, approvals, actions, and stop rules. For example, one webinar can generate a blog, short videos, social posts, ads, a landing page, email reminders, SMS follow-up, and a sales agent knowledge base. Scene 6. The campaign composer brings all channel execution together. ServiceFlow can prepare ads, landing pages, blogs, events, videos, email campaigns, and SMS campaigns as one connected customer journey. The important point is that campaigns are not measured by whether content was published. They are measured by whether customer interest moved toward a booking, appointment, payment, or purchase. Scene 7. The strongest part of ServiceFlow is the conversion layer. When a lead comes in from a landing page, ad, email, event, or social post, the AI can respond immediately through chat, voice, SMS, or email. It can qualify the customer, answer questions, schedule the appointment, create the opportunity, send the payment link, and escalate valuable deals to a person. Scene 8. The revenue intelligence layer closes the loop. It connects content, ads, conversations, and bookings back to revenue and margin. That means ServiceFlow can show which campaign created qualified leads, which lead became an appointment, which appointment became revenue, and which next action should be automated or approved. Scene 9. The practical message is this: ServiceFlow AI Marketing Agency should not be a content tool. It should be the operating system that helps a small or medium business explore, strategize, plan, launch, convert, and optimize. Start with one goal, one offer, one landing page, one conversion agent, and one revenue dashboard. Then scale recipe by recipe. For more information, visit the marketing agency landing page, https://serviceflow.ai/marketing-agency.